Tortoise and the Hare. There once was a speedy hare who bragged about how fast he could run. Tired of hearing him boast, a slow and steady tortoise challenged him to a race. The hare thought it was a joke, but accepted. As the race began, the hare zoomed ahead and, confident of his win, decided to take a nap. The tortoise kept moving slowly and steadily. When the hare woke up, he saw the tortoise near the finish line. He ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise won the race, proving that slow and steady wins the race.